Welcome to Bora Data Systems. This video shows Bora Fusion access control software integrated with CCTV, graphical floor plans, and biometric turnstiles. The bidirectional turnstile has wireless capability for installation in situations where it is difficult to cable or cost of network cabling is greater than cost of equipment. The turnstile, powered over Ethernet, shows direction of travel as an animated green arrow. The user touches the arrow and presents their finger to the fingerprint reader. A keypad will appear if a PIN is required. Biometric identity authentication is made and the turnstile releases to allow entry. Fusion software records the person entering the area, with that individual's record showing their name and ID photo appearing on the tally board as part of the roll call display in the top right-hand side of the screen. The tally board counts people in and out of a defined zone, which could be a room, building, or area, and records time and date of each access event. As the person clocks out, leaving the area, you can see the individual's record is automatically removed from the tally board. The system administrator can view recorded video of historical events by clicking on Events and bringing up the record of any access made. The CCTV cameras record activity 24/7, with every access event being logged in real time. Recorded video of access events can be viewed from any access point shown on the graphical floor plan. This can be done centrally or remotely across multiple geographical locations. The access point could be a door, turnstile, gate, barrier, elevator, or rack handle, wherever a fingerprint reader with CCTV is installed and controlled with Fusion software. For more information, visit bora.co.uk or get in touch to discuss your requirements.